How to use YouTube in background in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and make sure that you have the latest version of the YouTube application. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So all we're going to do is tap on open and it will lead us to the YouTube application on our device. Now, in order to use a YouTube in the background play, what you need to do is you need to have a premium version of the application. So in order to have a premium version, what you can simply do is tap on your profile and then tap on the gear icon. Then here you can just see the option of purchases and membership or billings and payments, and then you just have to make sure that you have the premium version of the YouTube application. Then you'll be able to use YouTube in the background play. So make sure that you subscribe to YouTube Premium, and that's how you'll be able to do so. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.